I played hockey my whole life, so I knew being in the sports field was for me. I then researched best sports management programs in the South. Lynn popped up numerous times. I knew I wanted to be in the warm weather. And when I applied, Professor Curtis reached out to me directly, pretty much recruited me, making me feel home.
I really liked the curriculum, and the block scheduling really fit with my schedule, and being able to not only focus on academics but also volunteer and get involved in activities and experiences and opportunities that will broaden my sports management education.
I think the reason I chose this kind of major is because of my passion for sports. I kind of grew up playing sports. I have two brothers, so I think I always kind of have that competitiveness, and I always wanted to stay connected with sports. So I think for me, being able to find and be able to use sports, but also use that passion kind of that I had and merge it with the business aspect of sports.
There's so many, but a big one is obviously the internship. Being able to work in the sports field while getting class credits for it's amazing. I was able to work for the Florida Panthers. I worked at their practice arena and got to meet. It was surreal. We got to meet a bunch of the players. One of my scheduled shifts was during their ring ceremony when they won their first ever Stanley Cup, so I got to meet all the players with their rings. So that was a crazy experience.
The opportunities Lynn provides, even just being enrolled in a class, you have to intern or volunteer at the Delray Beach Open and the James Hardy tournament, and all these different things that are added to your resume that really not only allow you to get a foot in the door, but creates a basis for when you go to higher up positions as well.
I think my favorite part of this program is the people. I think my professors and also a lot of the connections I made with students here as well, I think have really impacted me.
Pretty much use everything I learned in class, CapCut, Canva, using demographics, how to approach people. I learned how to, find my right target market. I launched initiatives across UMass Lowell to find out what fans are interested in what, and using info I learned from Professor Barr's class. It made it a lot easier, the way to research how we can get people into venues.
Networking, being able to talk to people, but also so many repetitions of that. We also have a really big guest speaker series where you can actually network with individuals in the sports industry that come into classes or in our sports management club on campus.
So just kind of the basic fundamentals on, connecting with people, shaking someone's hand, even if you're not comfortable with it. And I think it's just being adaptable. I think being able to kind of pivot and do things differently than how you expect them to go, I think has been a huge part of it, because sports is always unpredictable, whether you're in the business side or actual playing it. Some things don't always go how you see it, and I think just being able to pivot, I think that's been a huge part of my classes, and I think it's taught me a lot as well.
Hockey's probably my number one, either in marketing or operations, because I've experience in both. Marketing is just, especially with the rise of AI and professors teaching us how to use AI, has been a real eye-opener. I feel like it's used everywhere and you don't realize how much marketing's in the world. So
dream team / industry would probably being in the league office for a women's sports team, maybe even the NWSL or the USL Gamebridge Super League. Just being able to, women's sports is huge right now, that's where my passion is, so being able to not only help the league grow, but be innovative and take my expertise at the league level would be awesome.
I'd like to work with contracts or any type of NIL stuff has always been super intriguing to me. So just being able to kind of handle the contracts and just kind of working in the aspects in which people get paid, I think has always kind of piqued my interest.
Say yes to everything, especially if you're able to afford it. It's so worth it. So that's my number one, is just say yes. If you see a post, say yes to it. If you see them post a specific internship, just say yes, apply to everything.
One, get involved, whether it's on the sports management club on campus or just different volunteer opportunities. You're not necessarily going to be able to step into your dream role or what you want to do in your first job. So being able to gather all the experiences, being a sponge and just soaking up all the information and networking and kind of building a repertoire for yourself, a reputation for yourself, is huge.
Learn every sport, because you never know which kind of way life is going to take you, or which sport, whatever dream you may have, it may change. So being able to understand every sport and being happy with that, I think, is a good thing.